welcome back to my channel. Myself Arshad Murtaza. Today I'm going to start about the Python installation and VS Code setup. So here for our AI engineering series. So here I'm dividing my video in two parts. Like first the Python setup and second is the VS Code setup. So let's start with the Python setup. Okay. So let's go to the Python official website. So it's the authentic method to download the Python. Okay, so we go to the downloads. So since it is the latest version, so as per your Windows or Mac was downloaded, so I'm downloading the latest version. So since once you downloaded it, you have to click on next, so you can download properly. So how do you know? So verify to verify it you have downloaded or not. Let's open the terminal so we can verify it. You can open any terminal, like you can open any terminal. So I'm going to open the partial. Here you can type the Python version, so you can see your version. Mine version is 3.13 because I have downloaded this into earlier 3 months earlier. So and if you have properly set up the Python, your version will be seeing there. I hope you follow the steps properly. If you have any doubt, please write in the comments. I will reply there. Thank you. Okay, now we have to set up the VS Code because it is the next part. So let's start. You can download the VS Code for any Mac or Windows. So if you have Mac, so you can download from here, and Linux from here, download from here. Because I have a Windows operating system, so I am downloading from here. For this, it can download the latest version. So once it downloaded, wait a minute. Yeah. So once it downloaded, you have to click on the I accept button, and you also have to check on that done both on both. So it will it will be good for that. Okay. Or if you want to click on the check on desktop item, as your wish. Okay. So click on then next, on next. It will download, it will install automatically. So I have already done this, so I'm not doing that again. So you can do this. So now let's go the so since it is a VS Code, so also in VS Code we have to install the few extension first. So basic extension, there are there thousands of extensions. You have to only download the useful ones. So let's start with the basic ones. So in the Python for Microsoft, it is very safe. because it's from Microsoft. Like this, you can install this Python debugger. I already see here it is written the uninstall because I installed it. So in your from your screen it will return the install button. So you have to download the Python debugger, Python pylons for type checking, and you can also download the Python environments for, I think, for virtual environment. So once you have downloaded this, so let's create a folder, new folder to test it's working or not. Let's name this as a Python test folder. And let's open it. Let's create a test file. You can create a test file from here. Since see you are looking in this file logo, yeah, it is for the for creating a new file, and this is for creating a new folder. Okay, so I'm creating the file, new file. So I'm just typing the print hello world. So I'm so okay. Right now I want to check is this running or not. So yeah, if you want to open the terminal on VS Code, so you can directly there is a shortcut called control plus tilde. So you can click it. So it will open the terminal. Once it open, you can directly, if you want to run this file on a terminal, you have to write the Python and the file name. So our file name is test.py, so you have to write the test.py. So here it is running the hello world. So our test is so our so finally our Python is successfully installed. You can also check the version of Python also here. Here let me see. Okay. Let me show you. So I have installed Python 3.13, so it is showing. So finally we have successfully set up the Python and the VS Code setup, and uh, uh, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.